Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to begin now? Power off or set the watch to airplane mode so nothing activates. Next, press the release button and slide the silicone strap out. Hold the watch steady to avoid drops. Combine warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap in a bowl. This breaks oils and grime without damaging silicone. Prepare a soft toothbrush and a lint-free cloth. Place the strap into the soapy water for 1 to 2 minutes so the dirt loosens. Once done, we move to targeted cleaning. Now you'll scrub methodically. Dip the soft toothbrush in the soapy solution and brush both sides of the strap using circular motions. This dislodges embedded gunk. For stubborn stains, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply, wait 1-2 minutes, then rub gently. Baking soda lifts stains via mild abrasion without harsh chemicals. Rinse the strap thoroughly under lukewarm running water to remove soap and residue. Make sure to inspect the edges and holes. If any dirt remains, repeat the targeted scrub. Pat the strap with a lint-free cloth to remove excess water, then lay it flat to air dry for about 1 to 2 hours. Do not use heat or direct sun, because heat can warp silicone. Make sure the strap and watch connector are completely dry before reattaching. This prevents corrosion or trapped moisture. If you still see discoloration or smell lingering odor, repeat the cleaning or carefully wipe connectors with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Test a small area first. That should resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.